Come test drive the 2018 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cold weather package. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.